good.
Hey guys, it's me Siddharth and I'm with my sisters, and today we are gonna do a beginner versus pro makeup challenge. So it will be challenge for me because I am the beginner here and this is my sister Urvi. So she knows everything about makeup A to Z and she's kind of pro compared to us. So she will be doing makeup, I will be doing makeup, and at last we are gonna see who did it better. So I'm pretty sure as an artist I can pull it out better than her.
So let's see if you do 10% or better than mine.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure about you. Hey!
Well, I'm sure about myself. That's not our problem. You are guinea pigs. So yeah, I am confident about myself and I will do my best to do it better than her. Let's start.
I'm not gonna tell him anything.
What is eyeliner? What is eyeliner? What is this?
You have to read it.
Okay, this is foundation. I know what to do with this.
Do it by yourself.
And these are lipstick, right?
Yeah.
Okay. These are lipstick and these all are
brushes,
accessories.
Accessories. Okay, so I'm gonna start with moisturizing her skin.
I also want a moisturizer then.
Why cheetah?
So let's moisturize the skin first so that none of the makeup gets stick to their skin. I think that's what it is for. And now we are gonna use this foundation. I think this foundation is used for filling up the skin, for hiding the acne or pimples, whatever, right?
I don't have any acne.
Yeah, but whatever her face will be having, it will be sealed by this. I will do better. Why are you trembling?
You can use that big brush.
Okay.
Blend this.
So I'm using the brush.
No, it is a blush brush. It's not a blending brush.
Yeah, but I think we can apply by this brush. So I have applied the foundation on her face.
And I'm doing eyebrows.
Hopefully this has covered all the face. So after the foundation, we are gonna move to this one. Okay, after foundation, I think we are gonna do. Hey, what we do?
I'm not gonna do anything. You have to do all by yourself.
Yeah, I know.
No, I'm just reminding you.
This is mirror. These are lipsticks and see, what is this? This is mascara. Okay, this is last thing. So I think we can move on with colors. So this is a very cheap ass palette of hers. She don't wanna give me a good quality colors. I don't know why.
You definitely know why I'm not gonna give you my expensive palette.
Well, at least
he's gonna ruin it.
At least as a beginner, you should always start with good material, right?
No.
How can you start doing anything with... See, these are like painting colors. They're those cheap ass painting colors, water paints, the water cakes. Okay, so I am taking this flat brush and I think I'm gonna just contour her face. So we don't have any bronzer or anything. I think bronzer is the thing by which we do the contouring, but I'm gonna use a brown shade for this. I think it will work. These colors. Brown color.
You shouldn't supposed to do the face painting. You have to do just normal casual day makeup.
So I don't know what is
face painting.
No, what I wanna do is I wanna bring out the effect of bronzer.
How can you do
by brown color?
Bronzing by eyeshadows?
Okay, give me lipstick. Yeah, lipstick can be used by this. I have done it once, and I think this works.
It is a pink color lipstick.
Yeah, you better focus on yourself.
So give me brush and my.
So I'm gonna do a little bit contouring on her face with this color. So let's make up first.
So I'm doing a nude sort of a.
And let's do this line at the face and do it like this. So let's do the outline first and then we will merge it. Yeah, and I'm gonna try it with this brush. Stop laughing. You have blue lipstick.
क्या?
Blue or green? तुम लोग एक ही कलर का यूज करते हो कलर के साथ?
We don't go crazy with our makeup thing.
It can be good sometimes. I'm going with this.
Don't do Nicki Minaj makeup on me.
What the hell? He's having constipation.
He's not doing makeup at your face.
I am creating a piece of art.
He's doing face painting.
Right. So what I'm trying to do is giving a little bit of her shape
look.
to her shape to her face from this side with pink color. Ignore her.
He's doing Mata look.
Shut up. SPW.
Wait, I'll show you what he's doing.
I will show.
See her face filled with pink lines.
It's just
pink
different
eyeshadow,
than
sorry.
normal makeup. It doesn't mean it's bad.
And look at mine. Close your eyes. So I'm almost done with the eyeshadow
Yeah,
thing.
normal traditional makeup like
Not
everyone
traditional.
do.
Yeah, मतलब nudish makeup.
What?
So the next step which I'm doing is lipstick.
She's singing holy song.
This is holy makeup.
No, well yeah, you can say that, but it's like you can wear it in the parties or if you wear everything in the theme. It's different.
Halloween.
No, Halloween are scary. This is not meant to be scary. I'm making it while trying to be a different type of glamorous look. Someone fell outside. It will be good. Don't judge. Don't. Shut up. Let me complete it now. Are you done? इसके बराबर कितना डाला? This color is good. You don't have to use the products always traditionally. You can experiment with them. Like this lipstick shade is good enough, so I'm gonna use it for shade because the colors are very bad in quality and she's not giving me good quality colors. I don't know why.
I can't take a risk.
Good and better.
So here is my look, and here is Siddharth Bhaiya's look.
This is my look. I was trying to do it a bit. I was trying to do it more, but I didn't have the accessories available, so it's
Product.
like
You mean product?
It's still kind of incomplete. I didn't have all of the things I needed, but I tried. So I tried to do a bit of shade, pink and purple shade in the face, and I think shading I am a bit successful, but rest of the thing. See, I wanted to do something cherry or third look and some type like that. Whatever, it's a bit of different than your traditional makeup, so whatever. And this is her makeup. This is done by Urvi, pretty traditional, nothing different. So it's pretty normal, not anything very different. And this is my piece, so it's a bit different.
This is my piece of
Shame.
My piece of art.
My piece of
maybe.
piece of art.
So see the difference, and you decide, guys, who is the winner.
Clearly, Sanik, I win.
You are not the judge, okay? You decide, guys. This is my piece. This is Urvi's piece. Who is the winner? And at last, we are gonna see some reactions. So let's go into them.
You know my real face, huh?
I know your real face.
She is overacting.
Okay, show.
So you judge who did whose makeup.
I'm sure he did
Vaishnavi.
and you did hers.
Yeah.
Well, is it that obvious?
It is really very obvious. Hey Bhagwan, what inspired you? Please tell me.
That
eyebrows to क्या हो गया?
They didn't provide-
क्या दिया तुमने problem?
they didn't provide me with anything.
Oh,
Because he's gonna ruin it if I give.
Products, we both got same products. And
Yeah, but whatever.
अच्छा, so you did hers?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, that's it's subtle, nice. आपको दिखाओ। और मुझे नफरत करेगा। वो सही वाला स्पीड बताएगा।
हाँ, call him now. Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, what happened?
You have to see.
Who look better? See, I know.
As expected.
Yeah.
But
पर आजकल ऐसा चल रहा है ना?
Eyeshadow भी है. Eyeshadow भी
the
है.
reason I tell you,
कौन तो?
the colors were cheap.
you can do
They didn't have pigment.
हाँ क्या नोट होगी?
The color didn't have pigment, so I had to use the lipstick.
Oh, he knows a lot of terms and a lot of pigments and all. Serve doesn't mean anything, right?
No, you have to understand the term.
Yeah, I understand it and I hate it.
Pizza.
It's a piece. Art. It's A-R-T.
Pizza part.
ये मेकअप
Yeah.
नहीं लग रहा है, ये वो लग रहा है फेस पेंटिंग काइंड ऑफ.
हाँ, कोई ऐसा कोई आर्ट चलेगी कोई.
Yeah, whatever. But yeah, their color clearly didn't allow me. But well,
Actually मुझे ना ऐसा ग्रीन कलर कुछ देना चाहिए बालों को. अच्छे दिखे इतने लंबे बाल. नहीं पर ये तो परमानेंट कलर से टेम्परेरी भी आता है. कोई ग्लास
This is
में
temporary.
Makeup is already
well,
done.
whatever. I personally think my look is better anyway.
Only you personally.